It's a new pit bike build we're gonna be working on for the next couple months, maybe weeks. It's just all a little cheap dirt bike, but it's replicated as like a Honda 70. So we're gonna take the old plastics off, put the 110 plastics on there. New wheels and tires all the way around. We're gonna do the 12 in the back and 14 in the front. And then we're gonna do a Piranha 140 motor on it because this one's pretty clapped. New bars, grips, and just little miscellaneous stuff like that, and just clean it up pretty good. Stay tuned. So man, next day, this is the piece of shit that we picked up last night. Real view. Y'all see it, you see it, you like it, right? Yep. About to tear this fun bitch apart, okay? So get a good look at it, and she coming apart. That's all I got to say. Out.
And here comes the time. Damn.
That shit's fucked.
That's bad.
We'll beat that shit out.
You like standing in the way?
Almost landed
time
in the
lapse
same spot. Yeah, good job, dude.
Please. Look at this, Chris. Put that on there. What? Every fucking needle's gone in there, dude.
Oh, yeah.
On both sides. The cage is just fucking screwed.
Clean.
We're beginners.
Yeah, might not even put this video together.
What? No, this is going on there, son.
He said, what?
This is going on there. We're gonna look back on this video one day and look at this, dude.
Stand in front of the camera.
Bitches.
I got no shit right here.
Yeah, look down on
Look
it.
down on it. Clean idea. I was gonna bring it down. My tripod.
You was gonna bring all kind of shit, but
Yeah, you keep saying I'm gonna bring. I meant to bring.
Alright, try this. Let's try
If I drop my truck, I have all kind of shit.
Me and Patrick had these clean ass Wendy's sandwiches we put on this.
It's clean as what?
Wendy's sandwiches yesterday.
Oh yeah, that thing. Hot days.
Oh, that's good. So just fucking leave it alone. Let me get it started.
Dang, dude. Track my socket.
like, damn,
That shit would be hot as hell,
Damn, man, you gotta pick me up. Shoot. Needs to be hot, son. Hot days.
I don't know where the lighter is. Where the lighter at? Oh, there it is.
Flamethrower on.
Turn it down. Turn it down. Oh, down. A lot. There you go. Fucking done that. Don't know how to start a torch.
It's
I remember when I started my first torch.
Yeah, I remember my first.
He gonna burn my hand on purpose.
Oh fuck yeah, you can set it now.
You're just looking at me, dude. You alright, man? Stand in front of the time lapse.
Right.
And you gotta pick either the camera or the time lapse too.
Time lapse, cool though.
Time lapse cool, but we done got the bike apart. We need to be time lapsing something else.
Pick that time lapse up, Patrick, and like sit it over here.
As like a regular camera.
Hey, stand by, troop.
Yeah, that's good. You wanna try that? No. Probably pretty hot. Look at this shit stink, but not. Yeah, shit hot as fuck right here.
Fuck, give me a smaller one. Fuck it.
What is it? What is it? Here you go. Is she gonna get stuck inside it?
No, dog. That ain't no fucking movie. If it does, we'll get it out.
It's gonna work.
Yeah! Yeah! This shit, man.
So fucking whispering.
It's just some dumb shit. Meanwhile, Patrick's over here
Trying to put my shit back together.
doing who knows what. Chris's camera's blurry as shit.
Click on it, man.
Almost like he ain't even had an iPhone.
I don't got the 7 or the 11.
You got the 7?
7-11.
That's that new shit. Huh? You gonna try and show the fucking bike, dude?
Yeah, it is. What bike? Oh, that bike?
Yeah.
That's just a frame. Go kick that thing over. No.
I'm gonna try and make this shit work.
He really don't know what he's doing over here. What are you doing over here, Patrick?
Putting my car back on. Went riding last weekend. And my shit was cut off on me, dude.
Yeah. Sound like bonk. Bonk.
Just like a KTM.
Meow.
Sound just like a KTM dying, dude.
Patrick don't ride hard enough for his spokes to be loose.
Yeah, all my shit's loose.
That's it, son. We in there. We in there.
I might have bent one though.
When I put a wheel together, I don't even trill it. I just let it sit there and lope on me. That way, when I'm going to the trail, it like gives me like extra momentum to go forward. You know what I mean?
You just lap it in.
Yeah. Clay.
Yeah.
Well, here's the update on the bike.
Day 2.
Day 2.
Day 2, just a frame now.
And a whole lot of junk.
Nothing but junk, dude.
That'd be the only thing we're using, that and the forks. Suspension. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah.
Little odd and end stuff, dude.
Maybe that gas tank. Probably not.
No, they
Probably
got
get a new gas can.
Dirty. We'll get all clean. We'll clean up all this stuff and put it all back on with new parts. Stay tuned.